stink, you smell like shit, go take it back, put shit on you. You ugly ass stuff, you look like a quack, quack, you with your bitch up on my toes. You dumb, you ugly, you stupid, get out of here. Stupid, you dumb, you look like a borg, a hog, you ugly, you look like a whore. Slut, whore, whatever you call it, you suck dick like Emmerco. But Emmerco, do that, you suck that behind the school. You dumb, you dumb, you stupid, you stupid, you dumb, you dumb, stupid, stupid, you dumb, you dumb, you dumb, ugly ass, bitch, suck my thumb. Can't believe it, oh my god, these bitch, they feeling. I'm serious, serious. Bitch, you smell like shit, go take a bath, put shit on you. You ugly ass fuck, you look like shit, that quack up, suck you, ugly ass shit. So, you my coochie, you love it. Coochie, like Lil Wayne said, just like granny, it's a mirror on the wall. Mirror on the wall. Mirror on the wall. Mirror on the wall. Stuff. Here we go again. Over this stuff because we like it again. Yeah, whatever. Girl, shut up. Suck on my butt and squeeze on my nut. It's not funny at all. Just suck my dick and go back home. Be a young right with her. Yeah, yeah. You dumb fat part. Slap the pork skins off your back. You fat. You look like fat. Slap the pork skins off your back. I'm tired of your neck. All my time, just shut the fuck up. Mr. Robertson, just go suck a dick. You got no boy, just like Quentin. Pinocchio. Here we go. It's done. And then a beast. Just like I said, I'm gonna do it over again. I ain't no whack, bitch. Stop up and do my crack. Texting my name because I got something to do with stuff with you. Now I'm out of this beast shit. Shut the fuck up and suck my feet. Tenacious on that beat. Hand it to me, bitch. Aha!